Which component should a truck driver adjust to gear to travel speed? B. Only the traffic condition. C. Primarily to the road situation regardless of driving speed. From the perspective of the road safety, it is more advantageous to shift the higher gear very early or slightly later. A. Somewhat later. B. Very early. C. The described activity does not in any way affect road safety. What can tachometer, number 7, what can tachometer be used for in a truck? A. To select the optimal speed for engine brake operation. B. To check what when accelerating the truck, the speed does not exceed 1,300 rpm. C. This is the redundant device for an experienced driver. C. 48. What brakes are called continuous action brakes? A. Service brakes only. B. Only auxiliary emergency brakes. C. Only alternative brakes retarder. What does the green box of tachometers mean? A. The range of optimal operation of the engine brake. B. The range of the optimal engine power. C. Optimum speed range for acceleration. What does the green box on tachometers mean? A. Optimum RPM range acceleration. B. Optimum engine operation range for both acceleration and steady speed travel. C. The range optimal engine power. Letter A. The optimum RPM range for acceleration. What does the blue box on the tachometers mean for some truck manufacturers? A. The field biggest highest efficiency full power of the engine brake. B. The field was wasteful engine operation. C. The field of optimal operation of the turbocharger with variable geometry. Letter A. The field has highest efficiency full power of the engine brake. What does the blue tachometers mean? 52. What is the button of the gear level on the side in the photo? A. It's a button for selecting the gearbox operating mode between dynamic and economic mode. B. This is the gearbox preselection button. And letter C. This is the maneuver mode activation button. And letter B. This is answer. This is the gearbox preselection button. At which speed range of the truck engine the high performance of the engine brake achieved at high? At which speed range of the truck engine the high performance engine brake achieved? A. At high. B. At low. C. At always within the maximum range torque range. What does the use of so-called variable geometric turbochargers in modern truck engine contribute to the, among other things? A. To eliminate the turbo lag phenomenon. B. Only to increase engine power. C. Only reduce diesel consumption. Letter A. To eliminate the turbo lag phenomenon. Is the ED current phenomenon used to operate a hydrodynamic retarder in trucks? A. Yes, but only the retarders with their own oil circuit. B. No. C. Yes, but only the retarders steering the oil circuit with a gearbox. What kind of failure can a continuation of driving truck equipped without SCR system without AdBlue fuel lead to? A. Only the reduced engine power. B. Until the selective catalytic reduction catalytic fails. C. Failure of the fuel system air entrainment.